Hello everybody, welcome back to Build-A-Boat Part 2. Today we are going to be learning how you could get jetpacks. So we're going to make it to the end for our first times, even though I have made it to the end before. We're just doing it for the first time here. But so, if you remember where we left off last time, we made this boat. You should have something looking kind of like this. I'm going to do right now is I'm going to put some wooden blocks here so holds in the torches. But so right now we don't want to do that much edits to the boat. We just want to basically farm gold. And in this series we're not really going to make that many AFK farms, but we will at some points. So let's just save this and launch. Here we go. Alright, let's launch that. Firework. Whoa. There's that guy speeding down to the end. But so you just want to avoid as many blocks as you can. And another thing is that with this tool, you could shoot blocks. So later in the series, when we have like 100 golden blocks, that's when we will start making, I like to call them houseboat types things, where we'll have the scale tool and we'll have a lot of other stuff that's helpful. Alright, but so we're already in like another stage. This is pretty OP. And if you guys want to see if you guys want to see other tutorials on a few other Roblox games, I would do that. Oh gosh, there's that guy again. Oh no. I forgot about how hard it is to avoid this stage. Ah! Oh no, we flipped over. Crap. Oh, this is bad. Oh, this is bad. Yeah, this really isn't the safest spot anymore. This place was fun while it lasted, but it's not anymore. Here we go. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh, thank God. This is a lot of an easier stage. Something that I don't understand is like you could just do this if you don't have the scale tool. But still, like maybe not do this, Chill or Chill Thrill 709. Don't do this. Okay. Alright, so we're pretty far right now. This is a new discovering the forest stage. Oh, and also, we can do a better fly glitch now. So, at the start of every video, we're just gonna look back at the progress we made last time on this boat, but we're gonna do a fly glitch now. The fly glitch that we're going to be doing is where, so how it works is a lot of people have seen it, but you build like a sort of puppeteer thing. That's what I like to call the shape. It's basically a triangle. And then you want to, oh crap, let me get into this chair. But then you just want to place a hinge, stand on the hinge, make sure everything's unanchored. Oh crap, oh god. And then you just place a glue block connecting you. I don't know if we have a glue block yet though, we'll have to get one. But are we actually gonna make, oh crap. This is not good. Wait, do we have our arm? Yeah, we have an arm. Oh, this is bad. Oh. What the heck? Did you guys see that for a second? I was like away from the chair. It should give us around 100 coins. 64. Another, ooh, we got some more chests. That's good. Alright, so what we want to do is get a glue block. Glue blocks are mandatory right now. So let's see. Alright, let's buy one of these. Yes, we got a glue block. Alright, we got it. Ooh, yeah, there's our hinge. Alright, so we got a couple nice items that we could totally upgrade our boat with. Ooh, we got another one of those. Yeah, there's our glue block. A button. Okay, we got a button.
Hey, let's driver stop it.
Sorry about that, guys. My stepdad was just asking me a question. But alright, let's load this boat, upgraded boat here. I think we will be able to kind of extend it now. So I'm gonna put, so just in case like we fall off, let's put a few of these here. Here we go. Alright, this just makes it look a bit nicer. Now this is turning into what I like to call the home boat. We want to put maybe another one of these, or not yet. But we got a couple poles, so let's put our poles actually like around here. Oh, we have my favorite block, titanium. Titanium is very strong, and on my main account I have about I have like 20,000 of it, so from trying to get another type of block. But alright, so we're just gonna save this now. But now what we're going to do is we're gonna clear all. So how we want to do this glitch here is we want to place one of these here. Want to turn anchor block off. Want to make something that sort of looks like, you want to make this, and because, yeah, I don't think we'll need that. Now we want to place a hinge there. Now we want to take our glue block and place it here. Okay, maybe that's a bit too heavy. Oh gosh, alright, this is a bit heavy. I did not think titanium was this heavy. That's bad. Let's try ice now. Ice will work. Here we go. I want to turn the shift lock on. Now here we go. Oh crap. Oh, that's bad. Oh gosh. Oh, I lost an arm. Oh, and we're dead now. Okay, so that gives you a lot of gold. We flew through every stage. Oh, I got okay, a little bit of gold. But now what you want to do is we're going to go like this. We want to make this again. Make sure anchor block is, of course, off. I want to put the hinge back here. Place this back. But now what we want to do is we want to save this. So let's do fly. Oh gosh. Save this. Alright, now we're gonna go to the end. Or hopefully, I'm not sure. Oh, and you, just so you know, guys, you want to make sure that you fly through every stage. Ooh, we got very lucky there. Oh, crap. And we are at the end. Say hello to the end. Alright, here we go. Now we are getting our first gold block. Alright, so we just are going to repeat that process over. We want to do that about 3 times, so I'm going to see you guys when we do that 3 times. Alright, I'm just going to unpause the video for a second. Yeah. But so we have made it to the end again, and there's some wash-ups of another boat. But, is that glue? That's a glue. What was that noise? Alright. Should be getting around your third, or this is just my second actually. But we are making very big progress. We only need 2 right now, but this should be about 200 gold. 97, fine. But now, because you have about that much gold, we want to start making a bigger boat. So let's buy 50. Now that we have, I'm going to load back this. Oh, and also now we want to buy, we should be able to buy glass blocks soon. We want to put our 2 gold blocks like this. We have our balloon. We'll put our balloon back about there. Now we want to make this wall a bit bigger possibly. We have a lot more blocks. If I go quiet for like 2 minutes, guys, that's just, I need to concentrate doing this. But so now basically what we're doing, we want to have ourselves a little more space just in case something happens on the boat ride. We always need a bit extra space. Ooh, I keep clicking that though. Put that about there. Alright, now we want to do that. We are 1 block short. Are you kidding me? How many wood does a common chest give you? Oh, come on, I still didn't get any? How? What are the chances? That's why we're about to buy 10. Yay, we got our 1 block. 19 hours later. Just gonna delete these blocks here. Oh, I forgot. Alright, I did not have to buy those actually. Alright. Alright. But so, now our boat should be sort of looking like this. Alright, why is my boat motor going off? But, now that we have another one of these. Why can't we should place it like there? Save. Let's definitely save. Now let's launch. Just ran into that wall. Alright, the video is right now 15 minutes long. Alright, here we go. But so right now I'm just gonna dip. But you guys could totally just wait till the boat gets further to the end. But I'll see you in a minute. B. Alright, that was kind of dramatic. But so let's just claim 8 gold. 8 gold. But now we just want to do the glitch again. The glitch that we just did a minute ago. We just want to get as many possible gold blocks as we could. Do that. Get rid of that. Shift lock on. You could control it a bit better with shift lock. Always want to stay near the rocks. And try not to go that fast. You might have to go a bit fast, but never try to go too fast. Alright, that stage definitely did not count. Helicopter, helicopter. Alright, now we are down here. And listen, I am not rickrolled. Anyway, gold, not too bad. Let's load that back in. But when you progressively get better at the game, you will be able to afford a few more things. So in today's episode, what we want, my achievement is to get to buy a legendary chest, and probably next video we'll want to get the paint tool. Shift lock on. And we just want to get about 4. So I'm going to pause the video right now, or the recording, and I'll see you when we get about 20, a few more. Alright, here we go, guys. I just got an extra one, so now I have 5. But, if you want to friend me on this account, this is my username. I like to Fios, I think it says. I don't know, I just slammed my head on the keyboard. Alright. So now we have 5 gold. And now we want to make something. We want to basically make a replica of this. But we're going to delete this part. Anchor block still needs to be off. But now we're making it out of golden blocks. Now it's just a bit stronger, and you could definitely fly a bit nicer. Where's this hinge? Here. Oh, let's save, definitely. Always save. And if you think you saved but you're not sure, just save it again. I don't know. I don't know the amount of times that I worked on something for like 2 hours and forgot to save it. Going a bit too fast. It's gonna slow down a bit. Alright, we have to hit a few rocks, so I'm just gonna go into this stage. Oh god, Don't do that. Just go get the treasure. But now I should get a little bit of gold. Yeah, 56. Good. And right now, this marks the 20th minute we've been recording for. Yeah, we just want to keep recording. How about this is going to be like an extra long one. This is going to be 30 minutes. Or probably not. Oh, I need to get rid of the glue block. Now let's save. And if you're a BuildBo OG, who remembers when the scale tool was like 9,000 gold and the screwdriver was like 12,000? I remember those days when I spent like 2 hours grinding a day to get like 10,000. Shift lock. Let's confuse the game. Hit a quick rock. When I hit a don't. Crap. Oh god. We're still. What the heck just happened? Yeah, don't do this. This is not what you're supposed to do. So I'm just gonna. So that's a non existing wall. What the heck? This is weird. If anybody's ever seen something like this happen before, please just comment. Do I jump into. Oh, there's an invisible. No, there's not an invisible barrier. I have three coins. That's why it happened, guys. The John Roblox. No. Jennifer did it to me. Or Tubers 93. But so now I'm going to try this glitch that I've been thinking about for like 2 years now. You do this. And, well, dude, that didn't even connect. How? Why does this not connect? There. What the heck? Alright, now how about we just place the balloon there? What? This is so weird. BuildBo physics, get better. Let's try turning anchor block on. I'll place our balloon there. Now, so are you kidding me? Are you really kidding me? Alright, but this is where we are going to end off the video, guys, today. I'm just gonna pause it for 1 second, and we are going to get our legendary chest. I have to make my shoe. Why is this not possible? Alright, here we go. So, we just got a little bit more gold. Now we're going to buy a legendary chest. The legendary. Alright, so. Ooh, we got a lot more stuff now. Ooh, we got obsidian. That's really rare. Or that's pretty good. Ooh, we got 2 more hinges. That's good. We got a thruster. Oh, that will be super OP. Ooh, we got our own throne. Another button. Alright, so I'm just gonna leave it off for that for the next video, guys. So I will see you next time. Bye!